Hey everyone! Today, I want to share my experience using various note-taking apps. I've tried plenty, like Evernote, Notability, and GoodNotes, but Apple Notes remains the top dog. It's the simplicity and the fact that it's free that makes it perfect for daily use. Just like many other note-taking apps, Apple Notes uses a folder system to organize content. It has regular folders you can use to sort notes and move them around by simple drag and drop. However, the app also features smart folders, which are one of the new and useful additions. When creating a smart folder, you select hashtags that are linked to that folder's category. Adding these tags to your notes automatically sorts them into the corresponding smart folder. With iOS 16, you can also apply filters to these tags, which allows for even more effective organization of your notes. Besides custom folders, Notes includes a number of default folders. The Notes folder contains all unsorted notes, while the All iCloud or All on my iPad folders provide access to notes stored in those respective locations. Quick Notes are saved in the Quick Notes folder. When a note is deleted, it moves to the Recently Deleted folder, where you can restore it within 30 days before it's permanently deleted, unless you change this setting in the options. Apple Notes automatically sorts your notes by the date of last modification, organizing them into groups such as Today, Past 7 days, etc. This makes finding your notes super convenient as you can easily locate the information you need. Additionally, the app features an advanced search, including optical character recognition, OCR, which allows you to find search terms in text, handwritten notes, and attachments like images or scanned documents. You can also pin important notes to the top of a folder for quick access at all times. Regarding the interface, Apple Notes offers two viewing modes. The default is the list view, where notes are divided into 3 navigation windows: folders, notes, and content. This view is convenient when you need to track multiple notes at once. The second mode, gallery view, displays thumbnails of each note. This provides more customization options, such as adjusting the size of the thumbnails. Regardless of the chosen mode, you can zoom in for more detail on any note by pressing and holding it. The toolbar in Apple Notes might seem small compared to other note-taking apps, but it has plenty of features to get your job done. You can enter text using an on-screen or external keyboard, or even draw. After entering text, you can use the context menu to change its style and formatting. The app also includes a built-in conversion of handwritten text to typed text using the Scribble feature on the iPad. In iOS 16, you have 4 different types of writing tools: a pen, pencil, marker, and highlighter. Each tool has different settings, such as thickness, color, and opacity. The pencil tool is perfect for drawing and sketching with the Apple Pencil. It is very pressure sensitive and has almost no lag. If you make a mistake, you'll need an eraser, and Apple Notes offers 2 options: the Pixel Eraser, which works like a regular eraser, and the Object Eraser, which allows you to remove large sections at once. The highlighter tool is used for emphasizing parts of your notes and has 5 levels of thickness and opacity settings. Other tools on the toolbar include the lasso tool, color palette, and ruler, as well as a text tool for adding text or captions, and a shapes tool. To create a new note in Apple Notes anywhere in the app, just press the New Note Creation button. After that, a blank note will automatically appear on your screen. To customize your workspace, tap the 3 dots. In the Lines and Grids menu, you can select different background layouts or press Customize Toolbar to rearrange or remove items from the toolbar. To create a quick note on your iPad, touch the Apple Pencil to the bottom right corner of the screen. A quick note will appear where you can start writing or drawing right away. To save it, press the Done button. The note will automatically save and be available in Notes. Another way to create a quick note on an iPad is through the Control Center. If you haven't enabled this option yet, you can do so in the Control Center settings. Adding Quick Note to the Control Center allows you to quickly create notes from any screen. As for the hidden feature to enhance drawing shapes, after you draw a shape, hold it until it highlights, then select Snap to Shape. This will make your shapes more perfect and your notes neater and more organized. You can import files via email or into the Files app, but they will be treated as attached documents. To extract information from an attachment, you need to open it, select the text, and copy it into the body of the note. Apple Notes has several cool features. You can collaborate with others on notes by setting access and rights. You can send invites for collaboration through Messages or FaceTime. Additionally, you can create checklists and tables. Apple Notes allows you to create interactive lists and tables using icons on the toolbar. Another useful feature is data recognition, such as phone numbers, email addresses, or dates. For example, if you input an email address, Apple Notes will allow you to send an email or save it to your contacts. Thrilled to hear you found the perfect note-taking app for yourself. Apple Notes is indeed a great tool. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to our channel for more useful information. Have a great day and see you around.